Alrighty, Blake, here's your 3 small block Chevrolet. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our ass cast heads on it, Edelbrock air gap. Got the quick fuel carburetor on it. Got your valve covers you wanted. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Doke, 3,400, 459 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 488, peaks horsepower 499. So we're ready at 470, runs really good. That's the new cylinder head. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's getting clean for you. Show you a couple of things here. When you see your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. In your engine packet, you'll have this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading all that. Have any questions, give us a holler. Have a great day.